Welcome to the March 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. On the cover, join Baker Plumbing's Bob Baker on a roller coaster journey from rapid expansion to strategic downsizing. Learn about the risks of growth, benefits of diverse services, and the pivotal role of resilience. Discover how this family-owned business triumphed through ups and downs, emerging stronger and wiser. Join the journey of other cleaners and learn from their unexpected challenges of expanding, the toll on customer service, and the relief in scaling back. Learning from each other, it's what Cleaner Magazine is all about. Meet Dan Kalshur of D&D Drain Service in Lodi, Wisconsin. Discover how his OptiCam push camera from Insight Vision revolutionizes job sales and customer service. Join the father-son duo as they tackle sewer lines, relying on OptiCam's high-resolution visuals and cutting-edge features. What is the recipe for a successful husband-wife team? Find out as we talk to Pipeline Plumbing in Portland, Oregon, where owners Adam and Lori Farron redefine success. With a focus on quality and integrity, learn their slow growth philosophy, service strategies, and the secret to retaining a skilled team. Complacency, the silent killer, threatens when we least expect it. Dive into the dangers of routine and discover strategies to break free. Stay alert, overcome complacency, and ensure a safer work environment. Unlock the latest labor law insights. Navigate changes like the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, AI's hiring pitfalls, and potential shifts in non-compete agreements. Stay compliant, protect your workplace, and discover why staying informed is crucial for businesses. Roots, roots, roots. If anything gives headaches, it's these buried tendrils. Find effective solutions in this month's product focus. These powerful machines and chemicals swiftly and decisively eliminate stubborn root intrusions. Explore Canex Technologies' revolutionary ZipCam 360. Streamlining the cleaning process, this HydroVac nozzle camera offers fast, cost-effective 360-degree HD video without manual operation. Cleaner Magazine is here to tell your stories. Please share yours with Kyle. Email editor@cleaner.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.